Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I have a new release today for patron elites over on the Scrapcraftastic Patreon. If you would like to become a patron, there's a link in the description box below. This is a half letter designed insert that can be used as a planner. You can make your own planner. You can use them in making junk journals, or however you choose to use them. This is half letter. You're free to reduce to any size you want, but the file was designed as half letter. So I'm gonna start with this stack, I think. So this is all of the spreads. There is a PDF file with all of the spreads, and that file is duplex ready. Also, all the designs that you see here are available as JPEGs, individual half letter JPEGs. So if you know how to put your planner together, you know how to position those JPEGs, you can make whatever layout you choose. But these layouts are preset if you just want to open the PDF and print. So I printed them duplex so that you can see how the flow is. This is the title page, front cover, back cover. Then when you print the other side, it's lined note space with the decorative elements that match the rest of the collection. All of the monthlies and the weeklies come with a Sunday start or Monday start, so you can choose whichever one you want. Both are included. This is the Monday start of the small monthly calendar, so you have the monthly space. These are all undated. You have space up here if you want to hand letter in the month or add a sticker for the month, and you also have room at the bottom for notes. This is the Monday start. The spreads PDF, which is what this is duplex ready. So it's ready to print double-sided. Then we have the full month, Monday start, undated, room at the top to add whatever you want. This is the weekly. This is a week on one page. You have room to add your dates, whether stickers or if you're just writing those in. Front and back, so when you fold it or cut it in half, you have a week on either side. So this one sheet gives you 4 weeks. Then this is a repeat of what we already saw, in that this is the Sunday start instead of the Monday start. So Sunday with the full monthly, Sunday with the weekly. Then we get into some blank note pages. Okay, and then the line pages that are duplex ready as well. So I didn't make the title area where it would print the same thing on both sides. I used the lined layout on the reverse side, but you also have a way to print just lined on both sides as well. So this is the PDF that includes all of the spreads. This is available to patrons today, right now. It's over on the Patreon. Then this is the other file that I'm considering the monthly. Now, again, you can use these any way you want. You can fold this whole stack in half, or you can cut it in half and add it to a ring binder or disc, or however you choose to use it. Let's go ahead and fold these in half. And I did print these on 32-pound paper. This is also, I think I printed borderless, which means I had to set my printer to a special inkjet brochure paper setting, even though this isn't brochure or photo paper. Okay. All right. So I folded that bundle in half. Again, this is the monthly PDF. So if you print this out, you have a full month ready to go. This can be used as an insert in your junk journals, or use it as a planner, however you choose. So you have your title page, you open it up, room for notes or other information. You can even add your stickers here. Then this is the Monday start monthly, the full monthly, room for notes. Monday start weekly. So with every week, that's 1 week. This is 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. Then you have more room for notes, and then the back of the month. So this is available with the Sunday start and the Monday start. You get this file, you get this file, as well as the individual JPEG files used to create these. So you get the JPEG title page, you get the JPEG blank note page, you get the JPEG of the Sunday and Monday full monthly calendar, you get the JPEG lined notes, you get the JPEG weekly Monday start and Sunday start. So hopefully that makes sense. And you can import those JPEGs into Canva or whatever editing software you choose to use and create your own planner system. So this is the Autumn DIY Planner. This is available now to Patron Elites. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.